Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging hybrid Jazz SR. Now of course this is finished in platinum white. As you can see, you do get full LED headlights at the front of the car. You also get 4 front parking sensors, and then you get these brilliant 15-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every wheel just so you can get an idea of what condition they are all in, and most importantly the design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around to the rear, you'll notice you also get 4 rear parking sensors, and then we move into the boot. As you can see, we have got plenty of room in here as well. We've then got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats that do fold flat with the boot floor. Walking around the car again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. As you can see in the back of the car now, we've got your part cloth, part leather interior with Isofix mounting points at the bottom. We've then got electric windows all round, but only the driver's is automatic. In the front of the car now, as you can see, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your economy mode just here as well. We've got your eCVT gearbox just here. Then we've got climate control, as you can see, just there. We've then got a touchscreen display in the middle, which comes with your Bluetooth hands-free. Comes also with your DAB, FM, and your various other sources just there. Now, of course, if you use your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it does enable your maps to work as well. So you do actually have satellite navigation within this car. Over to the steering wheel now, we've got your voice control, volume and track select. The home button and the return button, and a little bezel in the middle does control your onboard computer, as you can see. We've then got your cruise control and speed limiter on the right hand side with your lane keep assist and distance control just here. We've got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see, this car has only done 6,831 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do, of course, require any further information on this Jazz SR, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.